Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, March 4th, 2024. Please stand to say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. As I said, today is Monday, March 4th. I hope you had a terrific weekend. It is Specials Rotation Day number 5. Mrs. Marquez, if you would, please send 2 students down to see Deputy Mason after the announcements. They will be the flag helpers for the week. Please send 1 student down to see Mrs. Schrader after the announcements. They will be Crystal's assistant for the week. Let's see, we have 1 birthday to celebrate today. Happy birthday to Penelope Iddings. I hope you have a great day. We will celebrate you on Friday. We have lots of guest teachers and adults in the building today. Mrs. Peters is out sick. There is no sub available for her. Mrs. Baldoff's guest teacher is Mrs. Arthur. Ms. Swiger's guest teacher is Miss Hainline. Mrs. Van Allen is out today, and her guest teacher is Ms. Lively, and later this afternoon it will be Ms. Houts. Mrs. Jessie is out today. There is no sub for her. We will need grade level or classroom paraprofessionals to cover technology today. Mrs. Alexander will be out at the very end of the day as well. So please show them respect. You should treat them just like you do your regular teacher. Okay? Show them how awesome Emerson is. Speaking of that, today there is a special visitor who may be coming around to observe your classroom, specifically your phonics lesson. They are here to see how awesome you all are and how awesome your teachers are. We are also going to have 2 very special guests tomorrow at our school. Our school is up for a very amazing award called the Hall of Fame Award. If you are familiar with sports, you know that really great players get into the Hall of Fame for football or baseball or basketball. And our school is trying to get into the Hall of Fame for being a really awesome school. So we will have special guests with us tomorrow as well, who will be coming around and visiting your classrooms and probably talking to some of you to find out what kinds of things we do here at Emerson Primary. Speaking of that, greeters, please check your assignments on the bulletin board or on the rolling screen out in the entryway. Please make sure that you are at your spots to greet our guests as they come in each day. Miss Manners was here. Miss Manners just can't seem to get her days straight. She was here yesterday, apparently, but she left us a little video. Check it out. Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. Where are y'all? Oh, wait a minute. I sometimes get my days and weeks mixed up. I'm here on Sunday, and you are here at school, but oh my goodness, it's so bright and sunny I had to wear my shades. I hope that you are outside enjoying the weather. Today I want to talk to you about keeping unkind thoughts to yourself. Our brains have thousands of thoughts every day, and some of those thoughts are kind, and some of those thoughts are not very kind. They're hurtful. It's important to keep those unkind thoughts to yourself. If you aren't sure what to say, or if it's nice or mean, don't say it. Why? Because it's easier to make friends and to keep friends
when people trust that you will be kind. If they aren't sure whether or not you're going to be kind or mean, they are going to stay away, and so am I. If you need to talk to someone about something they may not want to hear, check with an adult about the best way to say it. You can make the world a better place by being careful with your words, and that is your job at Emerson. Just ask Mrs. Klingshirn or any of your teachers. I hope to hear you being kind to someone this week. Bye for now.
Thanks, Miss Manners. That is a really important thing to remember and to do, right? This is the last call for the Kindness Challenge papers. So if you have one of these, I will accept these yet today. Put them in my blue mailbox or return them to the office. We've talked about softball signups enough. After the announcements, Theo Linhart, Anna Hoying, and River Justice come to the office. We didn't get to finish making your good news phone calls on Friday, so we want to make sure that we get that done. I do not know who won the Golden Dustpan on Friday, so I will be checking restrooms today. Let's see if yours can win. Boys and girls, repeat after me. I am somebody. I was somebody when I came. I will be a better somebody when I leave. I am powerful. I am strong. I deserve the education that I get here. Boys and girls, something else very exciting happened over the weekend. We have some very new members of Emerson Primary in second grade. Ask some of our second graders about what happened. Until then, we love you. I love you. Have an amazing day, and go Jackets.